A couple of years ago there was a robbery at the post office inside the European Parliament, so security's not always been perfect there. What we understand is that these protesters have got up about 2 flights of escalators to an area in the middle of the Parliament, close to the parliamentary TV studio, so it will certainly be seen as a grave breach of security. Obviously this is security usually done by outside contractors, but I imagine once the situation is calm and we still need to clarify all the details, there'll certainly be some inquiries into how this happened.